Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Welcome to your spelling class again. Today is Wednesday, September the 6th, 2020, and we're going to work during this week with our spelling list number 24. Yes, we are going to work during this week with some awesome words from page 46 of your book. So on page 46 of your book, you can find the words that you're going to need during all this week. Okay, let's start. Our first word is the word icicle. Icicle. There was an icicle dripping outside my window. So that's our first word. Our second word is the word presents. Presents. That's the word number 2. The word number 3 is the word notice. Notice. Did you notice the bird nest hidden in the bushes? Our word number 4 is the word recess. It's a very non-common word for you. My friends and I play together at recess time. Word number 5. The word number 5 is the word celery. Celery. Mother put some carrots and celery in my lunchbox. So here you have a picture of celery. Word number 6. Father only gave a glance to the newspaper headlines. What word is the word glance? Here you have the meaning of the word. The word number 7 is the word practice. 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 And here you have a picture. And here you have the meaning of the word also. The word number 8 is the word prince. Prince. And here you have a very handsome prince for you. Our word number 9 is the word distance. Distance. We could see smoke from the village chimneys in the distance. Word number 10. Participate. Our teacher would like everyone to participate in the game. Word number 11. Celebrate. We like to celebrate birthdays in my family. Do you like to celebrate birthdays in your family? Word number 12. Scenery. The scenery from the top of the hill was beautiful. Word number 13. Coconut. Coconut cake is very delicious. What do you think? Of course. Word number 14. Capital. What is the capital of the United States? Word number 15. I like the lunches at my school cafeteria. So here we have word number 15, cafeteria. Word number 16. Cotton. My cotton shirt is soft. Cotton. Word number 17. Jimmy taught his brother how to read a calendar. Calendar. Word number 18. Cupboard. Cupboard. Caitlin put the clean dishes in the cupboard. And here you have one picture. Word number 19. Jesus took the punishment for our sins on Calvary. So word number 19 is our Calvary. Now, word number 20. Calculator. God uses a calculator when he pays the bills. Homework time! Yes. So, what you're going to do during this week is that you're going to have some flashcard creation. You're going to create one flashcard for each word from list 24, from word number 1 to word number 20. So you're going to use one piece of paper. I have here some examples. Those are just examples. So you're going to write from word number 1 to word number 20 in each piece of paper. So you're going to have 20 pieces of paper, 20 flashcards. And you're going to write one by one in each piece of paper the name of the words from the spelling list number 24. In page, what page? 46. So for example, hedge, bridge, dodge, and finger. So those are examples. So you're going to do the same with the list number 24. That was everything for today's spellings class. Copy the sentences and copy the words in your notebook. Also copy the date, don't forget that. See you until next class. Blessings from the Lord. Keep safe at home. I love you.